All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you use a wallet?
Yes, of course. I always carry a wallet because I think wallet is a very essential thing for everyone because you have a lots of money and important documents like cards and debit cards and money cards. So I like to carry wallet. So to answer of your question, I always carry wallet.
All right, how often do you change your wallet?
Well, according to my pocket money, I don't like to change after 1 or 2 years wallet because a wallet is a very a unique thing and you don't need to change every certain types of certain kinds of certain conditions certain
You
conditions.
cannot change it after a certain time.
I cannot change it any certain time because wallet I think wallet is very expensive, so
Very expensive, yeah.
according,
I
leather
bought a
wallet.
wallet last year. It was 1 million rupees. Very expensive wallet. 30 rupees ਦਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, okay? Don't worry.
Leather wallet is also very expensive.
Leather wallet, even you can put your money in shopper. Free wallet, yes, some people do. They've got small plastic bag. That's okay, all right? So don't worry, okay? Try to make good points, right? Now let's go on. What do you usually keep inside your wallet?
Well, mostly in my wallet, I usually keep my money and my credit cards and my university card and also my transport card. So I think it's very important things for me, and I always carry these things in my
You
wallet.
don't carry any picture in your wallet?
No,
Picture of
my whole picture is on my mobile phone.
you got the pictures on mobile phone. All right, that's good. One last question. Have you ever received a wallet as a gift?
Well, unfortunately, because in my whole career, I don't have any best friend. Which
In your whole career, then you had no career. If you never received any wallet as a gift, so you had no career. Very bad career you had. Any flowers?
No.
Any perfume?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Who gave that to you?
My best friend, which is very close to my heart, they gave me a
They? How many? One or plural? They for respect? Because you don't want to use she. That's why you're saying they.
she gives me
So you had she.
5 or 2.
Career is good, huh?
No, not not a personal.
Not
She's my
personal?
casual friend, and she also like to give some types of gifts to me.
To you only or to everyone?
Only just me. I don't know everyone, but according to my perception, I'm the only person.
All right. Once I was there in a college, I used to teach there, and one of the students, it's many years ago, all right? One of the students, she gave me a chocolate. And I was like, she gave me a chocolate only. I put the chocolate here in my pocket, and I was walking around in the college, and one of another colleagues of mine, he said, what is it in your pocket? I said, nothing. He took out another chocolate from his pocket. He said, this one? I said, yes. So she gave chocolates to all the staff members and to me also. And then I was quite disappointed because I was thinking she gave me the chocolate only. Anyways, so don't worry. You will have bright career. Where do you want to go to? Which country?
It totally depends on my IELTS band.
All right. So you will have a bright career there.
Inshallah,
Okay. You should be a
inshallah.
good champion, right?
Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All
you.
the best.